Okay, we have Michele, our lovely nurse, but also patient from a year ago, did a full facial rejuvenation. And Michele and I are here today to bust some myths,
Yes, we are.
reveal the truths about these types of surgeries and what to expect, not just from a professional perspective and what we're classically taught, but also someone who has lived it and breathed it themselves. Will you look like a different person after surgery?
You're not going to look like a different person, but you're not going to look like yourself temporarily for
Okay.
a little while until healing is complete and the swelling has gone down. So actually, when you look in the mirror, you're a little shocked because it's not you. You don't feel that way inside.
Sure.
But yeah, it takes some time for the swelling to go down.
I love that. Once the swelling goes down, you are 100% you.
Yes.
What I tell patients is I'm not out to change you in any way other than to give you the best version of yourself. So we're not creating a different person here, just a new and improved version of yourself. How long until you can go out in public?
Okay, so I'm not the typical person. I went to work in 3 days because I have a really strong work ethic and I was on call, so I had to go in. You should rest and take care of yourself at least the first 2 weeks, probably get some protein and rest. But it doesn't bother me what other people think usually. So I just did what I need to do. I went to the grocery store, did all the things. Most people in the South are polite and they don't ask what you have done or what's wrong with you.
Right.
So I just.
When did you feel like you could go out in public and people weren't looking at you twice like, looks like she just is recovering from a facelift type of thing?
I had excessive swelling, so probably 12 weeks.
Okay.
That I thought that they didn't think, oh my gosh.
Yeah, now that's a lot,
Yeah,
you know,
it is.
And what we classically coach or tell people is that, look, give yourself 3 to 4 weeks at least of what we call social downtime. That's the time when you're socially presentable. So, but you just heard it here from someone who's lived it. I mean, it took almost 2 to 3 months,
Yes.
right? Is facelift, neck lift, any of these recoveries painful?
I had zero pain. I took one pain pill the first day, maybe the second day. I think I just went to sleep that first evening. The second day, and I didn't take any more of my pain pills.
These surgeries are surprisingly very well tolerated from a pain or discomfort perspective. That's inherently, or because we inherently cut through some of the sensory nerves, and so that helps you temporarily in the sense of you're a little numb, you're not feeling discomfort. Now, it can be a little nuisance as that sensation comes back over several weeks to months, but it helps you out tremendously in the first several days, and there's no discomfort really. So yeah, I think that's a big myth busted there. It's not painful.